How's everybody doing today? So 2021 has been a pretty crappy year. I had to go for 2 surgeries. I think I'm on my 3rd funeral in the last 30 days, and my grandfather who raised me is now in the hospital with a brain bleed. And I'm sort of not in a great mood, but at the end of the day, I still like to make my videos. Because of my mood, I decided to sell a couple things. One of them is this Equinox. You guys saw on the channel, I've done a couple things with this truck. I actually filmed a lot of stuff, I just haven't put it out yet. 2 projects that I figured out was, I actually make brake kits. So if you go to davescarstuff.com, I figured out how to get Brembo calipers with some pretty big rotors on the front of this truck, and I also figured out how to do a paddle shifter install. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it today. I want to get the paddle shifters working and test it out today in this video so you guys could see it actually works, because I have all of the knowledge to figure out how to make it work. I just wanted to do it before I got rid of the truck, because once the truck's gone, I'll never have a chance to try. Then what I wanted to do was get the truck on the road, take it for a drive, test everything out, and take it for a spin and just keep my mind off what's happening right now in my personal life. So the next step is I want to get the steering wheel off and get the one with the paddle shifter on and wire it. I'm just going to get this swapped out. If you guys want to see how to do this, it'll be on the website. Again, it's davescarstuff.com. I always put everything I can on that site to help everybody. Okay, I'm not going to bore you guys with pulling a steering wheel off this truck. You guys can find that stuff all over the internet. It's pretty simple. Much better. That actually looks like it belongs in the truck. Now, I made a mistake. The airbag for this steering wheel is different. So I'm going to have to get the airbag for this steering wheel, but at least for now, we could still test the paddles. It's just the airbag light is going to be on the whole time. Instead of me making an elaborate, long 30 to 45 minute video on how to do this, I found that people prefer short videos with barely any information in them. So whatever, I'll make a short one. If you guys are really incredibly interested in how to do this, I have my website, davescarstuff.com, which will have a lot more information on how to do this modification. Okay, the next thing I want to do is let's drive and let's test the system. All right, like I said before, we're gonna have an airbag light on, and I have to address the airbag. I have to get the one that actually fits the wheel. What I wanna do is let me actually test manual mode. The truck is in manual mode. Now I wanna test an upshift. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna test upshift. I'm gonna see how far upshift I can do just sitting here. All right, I'm gonna downshift now. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, I can't wait to take this thing on the road. Let's go do that real quick. Oh, this is really cool. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but we're in 3rd gear now and I'm doing it manually. I ended up turning around because we're in a school zone and I want to get away from the school opening up and being stuck behind buses. It's funny, I don't actually show excitement well, but this is pretty exciting. I thought this was a lot of fun. In the future, on the website, I'll explain which airbag to get and which wires to tap into, but I just wanted to make sure this worked and do a short video to see if anybody would even care about stuff being done to an Equinox. You know, I had a lot of really cool projects, and unfortunately this truck's leaving me and I can't get to everything I wanted to do, but I at least wanted to do the paddle shifters, and I thought it was really cool. I was pretty excited while we were driving around. And if I were to keep this truck, I was actually figuring out how to put a supercharger on it, and I do have a supercharger kit sitting here, so if there's anybody who's interested in making one work for an Equinox, I kind of have a way of doing that as well. So I appreciate you guys checking this video out. Hopefully you had as much fun as I did, and this did put me in a little bit of a better mood. I did forget about my grandfather a little bit, but you know, what can you do? Thanks again, everybody. I appreciate you checking this video out, and have a very nice day.